Welcome back again. It's your girl Atta for the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. This right here, my people. So all I want to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From uno ear device, uno know see one and only Atta for the press. Well, uno must know where me come about. Uno just take a look on my screen there. Uno see my screen? Uno know where me come about. Yes, man. Me come for the little Crawsis. Yes, me come right through for my wisdom warriors. So, the article posted that PNP Dayton Campbell wins defamation suit against 3 women. PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell has won his defamation suit against political activists Karen Cross, Natalie Stack, and Michelle Stern. The Supreme Court has struck out the women's defenses and sent the case to be assessed for damages to be paid to Campbell. Well done, judges. Whoa, let me give a clap for that. I feel so proud of the judges them today. No, sir. Judges, I feel so proud of you. The Supreme Court has struck out the women's defenses and sent the case to be assessed for damages to be paid to Dayton Campbell. Cross has been ordered to remove offending social media posts. So now hear that, my wisdom warriors. I want to listen to that part I good enough. Cross has been ordered to remove offending social media posts. And this woman still upon social media telling lies, spreading propaganda, telling lies. Me telling you something. You have a lot of women come out and I say, commenting and stuff like that. And I say, a lot of people got through, abuse and stuff like that. Listen, when I say with me, you know, say me always come out, me the people's defender. Me always come out and speak on them something there. This is why me tell, what him name? Delroy Chuck. So if you go and made the SOR registry public. Yeah? All right, but me telling you something. You see, you have some woman to a liar. Me telling you that. Me have to defend the man them. Me telling you that too. Me have to defend the man them. Me not left out the man them. A whole heap of time, me man they no trouble the woman them. And the little liar them go. Them go and tell lie when nothing no happen. Me telling you that. Enough man name get stained up for this rape business. When nothing no go some my wisdom warriors. So me have to come and speak up for the man them too. You understand me? Yes. Me have to speak up them for them too. Because this woman out here lying, again she gang up because the PNP then find out say she a one bitter woman. She's a bitter woman and she's not good for the party. So they kick her out. And what she do? She start plan up. She start plan up against Dayton Campbell. You can't imagine? You can't imagine me telling you something. You see one time woman do these type of things, then she go prison. Then if you go prison for these things. Because you go and like say the man them not under pressure too. The man them under pressure also. When listen, you have enough man not do them things there, no. Hey, me want to talk. Let me tell you now. You see, fear is fear. Fear is fear. Me want to talk about the man them when I trouble the woman them either. But yet the woman them tell lie. Tell lying up and the man say the man trouble them. When the man not trouble them, none at all, my wisdom warriors. The man not trouble them. You understand me? And then come out and tell lie and stand up. You know how embarrassing is that? And them same man turn around and say, oh, I make them make it up. You know how that is embarrassing to the men them? You don't know that? And you have enough man to have them family when nothing no go so. When nothing no go so. And enough of them tell lie upon the man them. So, for me, you have enough woman. We get RAPES, we get grape, yes. Yeah, you have enough woman that go through it. Enough woman that even come out and talk about these things, my wisdom warriors. You understand? Yeah, enough woman, I always say, if you come out, don't keep secret for no boy. Don't keep no secret. Maybe somehow want to get, what you call it, threatened and stuff like that. Somehow want to get threatened, somehow want to can't talk, somehow want to feel, when I have to go live in a fear if you not talk. But listen, you have to tell somebody. You have to tell somebody. You understand me? But when you have some Crawsis people come out, telling lies, spreading propaganda upon people, staining up people name, you know how the man them feel too? No, let me ask you, because you have some people only, when I say, woman like man no have feelings too, so I have to stand up for my man them. Yeah? Because you go on like say, man no have feelings too. Enough man out there not trouble people pitney either. Enough. And enough of them name get called. And in at the end, they find out say, it was a lie the girl tell. Oh, no, know that. Enough of you know that too. You understand me? So you have some people come out and attack because them see this and attack some things. And I'm like, what the hell? Are you being serious? This Crawsis woman are wicked. She bitter. She will go to the extent for do anything. You know see the way how she behave on social media. You know see the way how she tell pure lies. But I have something to tell her, Crawsis. Another lawsuit I go reach and your nastiness. Because when that woman attack, she not say allege, you know. I'm very weary when we say allege. You understand? My wisdom word, this a woman and nasty, no allege. This a woman when she talk things, you don't think so she did there. You wanna and then the little E that them a believe her. But when the lawsuit then start lick her underneath her nastiness. Hey, remember say, you know, a GoFundMe, she have to go, you know. GoFundMe, she did have to go to figure pay for her money them, you know. GoFundMe, my wisdom warriors. I don't know now hide. It all over social media. PNP activist Cross pays fine in defamation matter involving Dayton Campbell. This is in the article. 9:11 p.m. Tuesday, August the 10th, 2021. Radio Jamaica News has been informed that People's National Party activist Cross met Tuesday deadline to pay $750,000 after being found guilty of contempt of court in the matter involving PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell. When I hear that, my wisdom warriors, I go dig up the information so I can lay it out flat on the table so I have a more understanding. Last month, Cross was ordered to pay the fine within 14 days or spend 6 months in prison. Radio Jamaica News was informed that her co-accused blogger, which is Natalie whatever, has not paid the fine. Dr. Campbell had filed a lawsuit against Miss Cross and Miss Stack for defamation. Dr. Campbell obtained an injunction against the women to stop them from repeating defamatory statements pending the hearing of the case. On May 27, Dr. Campbell's legal team expressed concern that the defamatory statements were repeated in the public domain. In April, the police high command said, following a probe, it found no basis to allegations of sexual misconduct made against Dr. Campbell by Miss Cross via social media. The police said although a formal statement was given by Miss Cross, she provided no evidence to substantiate the claims that she made, nor was she able to provide any person interested in making a complaint against Dr. Campbell. You understand? So she said she have people we can't stand up for her and nobody no come forth. You understand? But let me tell you something. You have a lot of people that lie, you know. You have a lot of women, me telling you about that. That one believe say, them always say woman are Delilah. You have a lot of women who are witch and wizard. You have a lot of women who are witch and wizard and evil, my wisdom warrior. And the least little thing you do to them, then we go to the extent for hurt you. Now get me wrong, you know. Listen, right now I'm talking about the Crawsis. Me not talk about other people out there that have been through anything. Me not talk about them. Because me know some of you know. And me come to talk my mind. And I'm talking on this situation. Not what other people go through. Because me don't know what other people experience. And me don't know what other people go through. So I'm talking about this Crawsis. What I'm trying to say in general. You have a lot of people, a lot of women go out and tell lie too. You understand? You have some woman not tell lie, you know. You have some woman tell the truth. But you have enough woman, enough Jezebel, enough Delilah, enough wicked and evil, bitter woman, we tell lie upon you. May I tell you, stain up her name and mash up her career. And that was her intention. And she keep on talking about it, even though the judge order her a one more something that she want underneath her nastiness. Because she too lie and wicked. She too lie and wicked. You understand? The judge then said they not fine. They not find nothing substantial. Nothing they not find. Okay. So I don't know why she keep coming out, running off her mouth. Because then dash her out of the PNP. Excuse me? So she go around and I be bitter against Mark Golding, you know. This woman and her friend, them, she have other blogger friends that going around also. A gang of them, you know. You think say she alone? This is what I tell you, say, when you see a lot of them blogger come out, my wisdom warrior, they don't do nothing for Jamaica. Since as she, all right, me go show you something, me go show you the levels. Remember, see, a lot of picnic get abused, though. A lot of woman and a lot of man get abused, don't it? Remember, we are talk about, you know, we talk about the SOR. Yeah, the SOR registry where we want to figure public, don't it? Because I don't remember what happened to the lady, the teacher. All right. I remember it was a SO that take her away. You understand? And that person do things repeatedly. All right. When we are call out every blogger, I call out and I say, why government no make the SOR, no make the registry public? They're supposed to make it public. Why don't they make it public? So the people them in Jamaica can know the grape among them. You understand? The people them in Jamaica can be aware. If a strange man come in their area, they can be aware. Me not hear them talk about that. Somebody like she, where she say she get troubled. You wouldn't talk about something like that. You wouldn't talk about it and encourage the government. Them not talk about that, my wisdom warriors. Then just after Mark Golding, after Dayton Campbell, after Peter Bounty. Pure lie. Pure lie they out here and tell. Even with the situation with Leo, Bradshaw, with Philip, Paulwell. Pure lie. Pure lie them tell. You understand me? So if these people did say they really want justice for other people because them claim say them go through a situation like that, won't they be calling on the government to release the SOR too? But them not do that. Them bitter. And it is a crew of them. It is a crew of them on YouTube going around and doing these things. When I said anybody after Mark Golding is something personal, my wisdom warriors. Personal. You know hear me? It's not about Jamaica. Now listen to them. She see one come out and cuss Andrew like dog. She see one come out and cuss Jamaica Labour Party like drunkro. And she see one come and defend them. I just show she bitter. Because she not get what she want. You understand? She not get what she want. You understand me? So I do not believe her. None at all. She's a liar. She's bitter. And the judge ordered her to stop all these nonsense. But make sure stay there. Make sure stay there. Because she must think that people are going to come in and go for me and give her money. She must think that people are going to come in and go for me all the time and give her money. If you go pay out for last out. Hey. My wisdom warriors, let me tell you something. This woman is a bitter woman. You just listen to how she attack Mark Golding. You just listen how she talk and the things them what she cover. You just listen. If this a woman here did claim that she go through something like that, she wouldn't dung pan Delroy Chuck to release the registry. I know me not hear that Crawsis come out. That Crawsis girl, I know me not hear she come out. But now she come contact. I run off her mouth to talk about Dayton Campbell. Girl, go away. Go and left Dayton Campbell alone. Go away. Go away. I say all and love come round. And enough of the girl that you do. Paint bad picture upon man. So me have to defend the man them. I want to feel like enough man is not like that. When you have some man is like that, but enough man. So somebody have to stand up for the man them when I do that. And me at all for the press I go stand up for the man them. And that me come bout. And that me come bout Crawsis. You're too bright and out of order. You're too bright and rank and out of order. Come on for the people them now. On the too lie and wicked. On the gang up against the man. Gang up against the man. For crush the man career. And God intervene and show you up. See? It backfire upon your nastiness. Backfire upon your nastiness. But you're out here. My wisdom warriors. I'm going to read two comments. Two comments me go read. When me see underneath the article. Hear this. This person said allegations of SEXUAL crimes must not be taken lightly. Me agree. It must not be taken lightly. Because guess what? Sometimes this can be true and sometimes it cannot. This is the point me I try to tell you now. Sometimes it can be true and sometimes it cannot be true. Sometimes it no go so and sometimes it near if it go so and sometimes it go so. You understand me? We have real victims out there, which is true. I agree. We have real victims out there. You have people that got through it and I stand up with them, the people there. That's why me always, it hurt me heart and it pain me heart. When you have enough boy, go out and a great people girl pitney and a great people boy pitney. You understand? And this is why me I call upon Delroy Chuck if come out. Delroy Chuck if come out and make this SOR registry public. And Delroy Chuck say nah, make it public. Delroy Chuck said that the Justice Minister of Jamaica Labour Party, say him nah do that because from a graper boy doing time already, he don't feel it is fair for them to get another second punishment. And that Delroy Chuck say, my wisdom warrior. You understand? That Delroy Chuck say. But come on now, enough boy name call pan it and nothing no go so either. We have to talk about that too. No for no woman not talk about that, but we have to talk about that. Fear of fear. Uno fi be fearing of this. You understand me? No for no fi be fearing of this. Me know people who have been through these things. I'm stand with them. You understand? And a justice we say. But you have enough man when you do things like that. I just choose so when woman no get for them way, them have a way where them feel like they want done somebody career. I want crush the person to the ground because they get so bitter. Like what the Crawsis are do. Yeah. Yes, my wisdom warrior. Seriously. You understand? Seriously. And it is very unfortunate situation. It is. And one thing may I encourage all the women. Out there. Everybody that have been going through all these things. Yeah? And if you don't report it, for whatever reason, I don't know. You have some people report, you have some people not report things. You understand me? Like that, where she go the girl name? You have a girl when me say going around named Danger with the spice situation. She came out. Well, this is what I gathered. She came out and she said Spice Man grape her for all these years. And then she said, what? Spice Man must have threatened her. This is what she said. Something like that, my wisdom warriors. They must have threatened her. So and that's why she not tell nobody. But when me I say it is out in the open now, why don't you still go and report it? This is what I can't understand. Why don't you go and report it? Remember say out already in a social media, everybody know about it. You understand me? You have enough women to them come out and I say, I get grape. Like a something nice for you to talk about. I get grape. This is what they said. But yeah, why don't you go and report it? But you're out here talking. Listen, I don't want to get confused. I don't talk about the people them, you know. When I talk in a social media, I talk about the one them way in a social media will come out. For you come out brawling in a social media, you figure go report it too. Because everybody done hear about it already. And that me I talk about. Why you not go report it too? Since as you no come out bold and bright, I tell everybody, I tell the whole world, might as well you no go report it. You understand me? And no found it too, because no find the woman also. Some of them feel embarrassed. I understand that. Some of them feel ashamed. Me understand that. But no for them and not true, they ain't get threatened, you know, my wisdom warriors. I want to understand where I come from, you know. This is why I'm giving different points. Because I know a lot of people, some people probably will come and some agree, some not agree. Me not really business, me not really care. I'm talking my mind and I speak facts. And a fiction me come with. You have some people, nobody not threaten them, but true because they feel embarrassed and ashamed, they not going to report it. Me tell you something. You see, to all of those women that feel embarrassed and feel shame, and the man they never threaten uno, you understand? Uno need to swallow on pride now and go and report it. Because really and truly, a stifle on self, you know. Who uno protect? Do you think you're protecting yourself or you're protecting that monster? Come on, ladies. For all the ladies that get grape and is keeping it a secret, because to me a secret that. Who you're protecting? Do you think you're protecting yourself? Or you're protecting the monster? Are the monster will not protect? Are the monster? Because if you don't go and report it, that same monster could be out there hurting many more people. And maybe if you don't go and report it, It can make a difference, my wisdom warriors. Yes, it can. May I tell you no? May I tell you no, my wisdom warriors? I know few people that been through things. That's why I say a lot of women are just because they're embarrassed and they feel ashamed, they not go report it. Ladies, una leg off of that now. Una go and report it. Stop protecting. Maybe una look upon it a different way, but me I tell you now, the monster una protect, not on yourself. That's why una live in a misery for so long. Una have to free up, pray to God and ask God for free your mind. You understand what I mean? And go and report it. Because the graper boy, they need to go to prison. Them need to go to prison. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, me just did that explain something. Because I know this is a very sensitive topic, you know. This is a very sensitive topic. I know some people stay there and we listen to one thing and I listen to everything me I say. You understand me? So, this Crawsis woman, it get thrown out of the court where she same one have to go turn around and pay the and Campbell. Right? So as far as me see, a lie she tell. Lie she tell. She is just a bitter woman. And just because they kick her out of the PNP, it a mad her. It's mad in her, my wisdom warriors. That's why she come out and beat and cuss, mark and cuss. Because me not hear she talk about, the little girl. Me not hear she talk about the teacher. Me not hear she a call for Del Rychuk. She says she is whatever is, she a activist for SEXUAL children. She a activist for them, but wait. If you're activist for them, how you not call upon Del Rychuk? You know what? Some of them feel go away. Uno feel left from boya. Nobody no want hear uno can find a liar than thief. Uno go away from boya. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what uno think. Uno not have to agree with me, you know. Uno not have to agree with me, but more than like to know what headspace at. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal and my Zelle. The link I got there in the comment section. Guys, if you want to reach me on my WhatsApp, send me any information, any videos, any little thing, you can contact me on 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.